Hey smoothie lovers! Tired of lumpy shakes or struggling with bulky blenders? Today, we're checking out the top 5 best personal blenders that make whipping up smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and even nut butters faster, smoother, and mess-free. Whether you're on the go, at home, or in the office, these blenders are compact, powerful, and perfect for any lifestyle. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which blender can take your kitchen game to the next level. Let's blend right in. Number 5. 12-piece smoothie blender. 12-piece smoothie blender maker powered by a 1200W motor reaching speeds up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. This high-performance blender easily crushes ice, blends smoothies, grinds nuts, and makes sauces, shakes, and baby food in seconds. Its 2 upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blade assemblies deliver faster, smoother results while preserving nutrients. The set includes 3 durable cups, 23 ounces, 32 ounces, 37 ounces, with lids for easy storage and portability. Enjoy simple one-touch operation, non-slip stability, and efficient heat ventilation for long-lasting use. Cleanup is quick and hassle-free. Just rinse or blend with soap and water for a spotless, ready-to-go machine. Number 4. Ninja BN301 NutriBlender. Ninja BN301 NutriBlender Plus powered by a 900 peak watt motor base. This compact personal blender delivers Ninja's signature performance, effortlessly crushing ice and blending whole fruits and veggies into smooth, nutrient-rich drinks. Its Pro Extractor Blades assembly ensures efficient blending for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Blend directly in one of the 320 ounces to-go cups, then twist on a spout lid to sip anywhere or use the storage lid to save for later. Includes a 20-recipe inspiration guide for easy meal ideas. All cups, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleanup. Number 3. Nahida Blender for Smoothies. Nahida Blender for smoothies with a powerful 1200W motor and speeds up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. The Nahida personal blender crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients in seconds. Perfect for smoothies, shakes, juices, or even grinding coffee, its 2 304 stainless steel 6-fin blades ensure smooth, consistent results every time. The set includes 3 durable cups, 23 ounces, 32 ounces, 37 ounces, with lids for easy portability, ideal for gym, office, or travel. Designed with a compact footprint, non-slip silicone feet, and built-in cooling vents for safety and durability. Simple twist-to-blend operation and quick rinse cleanup make it a convenient kitchen essential. Number 2. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. Deluxe version power through your favorite smoothies and shakes with a NutriBullet Ultra's 1200 watt motor, delivering the brand's strongest single-serve performance while operating quietly thanks to its low-frequency design. Its sleek, space-saving silhouette fits perfectly on any kitchen counter, and the glow interface lights up to guide you through full automated blending or hands-on pulse control. Durable Tritan Renew cups, made with 50% recycled content, are BPA-free, shatter-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. Equipped with a rapid extractor blade featuring stainless steel and titanium coating for fast, efficient blending. Built to North American and Canadian standards. Number 1. Smoothie Blender Maker. Smoothie Blender Maker 25,000 revolutions per minute power through smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks with this 1200W personal blender, reaching speeds up to 25,000 revolutions per minute for effortless ice crushing and blending of fruits, nuts, and tough ingredients. Featuring a 2-in-1 design, it includes a 6-blade assembly for smoothies and a 2-blade grinder for nuts, spices, coffee, and grains. The set comes with 3 BPA-free portable cups with travel and resealable lids, perfect for home or on-the-go use. Safe and durable, it operates only when cups are locked and rests on non-slip feet. Easy one-touch operation and dishwasher-safe cups make cleanup a breeze. Thanks for watching. Below check links in the description box. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.